Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to pair your DJI Mic 3 with your DJI application on your Android smartphone. The first thing we have to do is to open Play Store. Wait a moment, I need to reset my Play Store quickly. Here, Play Store. Tap search, and now in the search bar you need to search for DJI Mimo. Here, this is this application, Mimo. Here, let me open this application. Now what you have to do is to wait a moment, turn on both microphones, so hold this button until you see a vibration, and turn on this transmitter over here to have it connected with your microphones. Now plug in your transmitter into your device using USB Type-C. If you want to know how to connect your DJI microphones with your Android device, you can just check that in our channel because we have a video tutorial for that. Now, here tap OK. You should see this monitor over here. Tap OK, and now here you go to settings. Now, as you can see, you should see here something called authorize. You need to authorize the sending data to your account in this application and you will be good to go. But before that, you can, if you'll be prompted, you need to go here to the profile and just create an account with your data. It's either your data or you just create your account using the Google, Facebook or any other third-party platform. To go back again to these settings, you need to here tap this microphone icon and tap set mic. As you can see here, we have our wireless microphone and our settings and microphone settings over here. And that's how it works. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like under our video. Goodbye.